Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your front and rear windshield heating system. So this turns on the front, this turns on the back, and this will change the fan speed of how fast it's blowing out the front, and then change the temperature up or down. And it's displaying there. If you want it hot or you want it to blow colder. Let's say you want to kill some of the humidity that's building up inside the windshield, you can turn your AC on to pull moisture out of the air. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the rear, there's black lines through the glass. Those black lines are the heating mechanism that turn on when this is on. So, and then turn them off. Just turn all that off. And that turns the fan off. And if for some reason these aren't working properly, maybe first check your fuses to make sure nothing's burnt out in the circuits. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.